Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix iOS 18 Face ID not working. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the device settings and make sure that you have an active internet connection. Also make sure that no VPN is connected so there are no interruptions. Then, you may scroll down and access General. Inside it, access Software Update and make sure that Beta Updates feature is turned off. After that, go back to the settings home, scroll down a little bit and locate Face ID and passcode. Once you find it, tap on it and you will find the option to reset Face ID. So you may on it and enroll your face again. After that, check if the problem is solved. If it still persists, access General again, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Inside it, tap on Reset and select Reset All Settings. This will hopefully solve the problem you're facing. So that's basically how you can fix iOS 18 Face ID not working. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.